Ay, ay, ay.
I don't even know.
Ay, ay, ay.
I don't even know. Really?
Okay, so it says here that you are wanted for, out of Pennsylvania, you are wanted out of Pennsylvania for rape, forcible compulsion, rape of an unconscious victim, sexual assault, aggravated indecent assault without consent, aggravated indecent assault, forcible compulsion, another aggravated indecent assault, complainant is unconscious or unaware that PE, indecent assault without consent of another, indecent assault, forcible compulsion, simple assault, harassment, subjecting another to physical contact. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's true.
I didn't do any of that. I promise you that.
Look,
Hey, I understand. And
really, here, we're not interested in it. This is just, you were wanted out of Pennsylvania, and all we're doing here is determining whether you are in fact John Akey.
Right.
If you are, what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait for Pennsylvania to come get you.
Right.
We normally give them 2 weeks to come get you from the day that you waive extradition, which is today. Are you waiving formal extradition?
Yeah.
Okay, so as of today, they have 14 days to come get you, and if they don't come get you by that time, Harris County will release you, okay? All right, good luck. Good morning, guys.
morning.
All right, offer please, Your Honor. You got Mr. Cuellar, Mr. Gunthorpe, and Mr. Tucker. Mr. D, if you'll step on this side
Yes, sir.
for me. So you got Mr. Gunthorpe and Mr. Tucker.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Allen has Mr. Cuellar.
No, I don't think I have time. Yes,
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir, to the judge. Or yes, Your Honor. No, Your Honor.
Gunthorpe is on the record.
Is that Ramona?
Yes.
Are we doing this on the record?
Yes, sir, Your Honor. One of my clients has a felony. He's on felony parole.
Okay, hold on, let me just sign this, and then we'll, so tell me when you want to go on the record, Ramona. And is it for Gunthorpe, I'm assuming?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, so let's do that first and get you out of here.
Okay.
Order of the court, going on the record, hold all conversations.
Today is October 7th. It's approximately 10:32 in the morning. And before me, I have, for the defense,
John Dixon.
state,
Alex Macias.
okay. What we have is we have a Hakeem Khalif Gunthorpe, cause number 252-6467. Mr. Gunthorpe, you are charged with theft. Misdemeanor theft. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. It looks to me that you guys have worked out an agreement, and the reason that we're doing this on the record, Mr. Gunthorpe, is, believe it or not, for your protection, because from what I understand, you're on parole, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so,
No, sir, to the
Yes, sir.
judge. Mr.
that's okay. So what happens is when you're on parole, you're supposed to behave yourself. And when you don't, and when you pick up new cases, a multitude of things can happen. They can issue a blue warrant, meaning that you are stuck in custody until you have a hearing, a parole hearing. If a blue warrant has not been issued, then you need to understand that by pleading guilty to this offense now, it can be used to revoke your parole. Now, they may revoke it, they may not revoke it, they may send you to ISF, I don't know. But you need to understand that there are more consequences than the average person, because being on parole, it can affect your parole status. Do you understand this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You still want to go forward?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You give up a lot of rights, and this applies to all three of you guys. You give up a lot of rights by entering the agreement today. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you guys are not citizens, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. So once you plead guilty, you can never undo this. This isn't like Target where you don't like it, you can just return it. Once you plead guilty, it will go on your record. You cannot take it off after that. You guys understand?
Yes, sir.
Is this what you guys want to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Mr. Gunthorpe, on your theft case, you've worked out 126 days in Harris County Jail with 42 days credit. Is it enhanced? It's alleged here that you had a prior unauthorized use of a motor vehicle out of the 338th Judicial District Court. Is this true or untrue? All right. How do you plead to the offense?
Guilty.
I will find you guilty. I will sentence you to the agreement, sentence you to 126 days in jail, give you credit for the
42 days.
42 days that you've done. The enhancement is true. Good luck to you, Mr. Gunthorpe. Okay, off the
Thank
record.
you, Your Honor.
Okay, now, Mr. Cuellar, are you on probation or parole at this time?
Parole.
Oh, I guess we're gonna do this one on the record too. Is
This
he your
is not
client?
mine, Your Honor.
This one's mine, yeah.
Okay, that's right. You also need to understand that by being on parole,
Sorry, Judge, which one is this?
this is Cuellar.
Okay.
Yeah, do you want to do this on the record?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you back on, Ramona?
Yeah.
Okay, so in Mr. Marco Antonio Cuellar's case, cause number 252-6210, he is charged with misdemeanor theft as well. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. He has advised us that he is also on parole as well. Did you say a blue warrant in this case has actually been issued though?
He's
Right.
currently on hold.
Okay.
Has, parole right now, Your Honor.
Now, for purposes of the record, can you identify yourself?
Alan Williams for the defense.
And Alex Macias for the state.
All right, so you've been advised of your rights, Mr. Cuellar. Did you want to, how do you plead in this offense? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty, Your Honor.
I will find you guilty and I will sentence you to 30 days in jail. I'll give you credit for the 2 days that you've done. It's enhanced as well.
Yes, I have a copy here.
Okay, it says here that you are enhanced with your attempted burglary of a motor vehicle out of county court at law number 5 from March of this year. Is this true or untrue that you had this?
True.
Okay, true to the enhancement as well. All right, guys, I wish you two the best of luck. And lastly, you are Mr. Tucker.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Tucker, you're charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. And you have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 3 days in jail, credit for the 44 days that you've done.
Yes, sir.
You need to understand that there comes with this, though, an affirmative finding of family violence. What that means is that you can never own a gun or ammunition as a result of this plea bargain. You pick up a gun, that in and of itself is a Class A misdemeanor, punishable by up to a year.
Yes, sir.
Knowing this, do you still want to go forward with it?
Yes, sir.
All right, how do you plead to the assault, sir?
Guilty.
I will find you guilty, sentence you to the time. If there are any enhancements in your case, they will be abandoned. Guys, best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your
All
Honor.
right, go ahead and go right through that door for me.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ramona.
You're welcome, Jack.